Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have your data ready in one column. Start now by selecting the range and calculating the mean with equals average range. Once done, get the count with equals count range so you know n. Make sure to choose population versus sample. Use stdev. P range for population standard deviation or stdev. S range for a sample. This initial setup saves time. Do not waste a step cleaning the sheet later. After these formulas are in place, move to compute the standard error directly. Now compute the standard error by dividing the standard deviation by the square root of n, because standard error measures variability of the sample mean. In practice, enter equals stdev. SA2 A101 slash SQRT count A2 A101 for a sample or equals stdev. PA2 A101 slash SQRT count A2 A101 for a full population. Once entered, press enter and confirm the result. Make sure to use absolute references. Finish by validating your standard error. Eyeball the magnitude and once done, cross-check with a manual SD divided by SQRT, n to ensure the formula behaved. If the value seems off, make sure count equals the number of numeric entries. Hidden text or trailing spaces often ruin results. To fix, apply value or use clean and trim on suspect cells and reevaluate stdev. S or stdev. P. If errors persist, isolate a small subset and recalc to find the problematic rows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.